everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to translate Instagram comments automatically. So head over to your Instagram, once in there, just head over to any comment section, and let's say you're gonna go to this comment section, and in here, if you find any comment that is not from your language or not in English, so let's say we're gonna go to an account, this one. So let's go to this account, and here you will find some comments that's not in English. So as you can see, there is an option of C translation. So tap on C translation and it will automatically translate to English. And if this is unavailable, so you have to just copy the comment and then use your Google Translate app to copy that, to translate that. So yeah, this is how easily you can translate Instagram comments. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.